If the largest objects in the universe were to collide, would that be destruction? Or would it be a different form of birth? One the human mind is not yet quiet enough to understand? We are taught that collision means an ending, an accident, fragments, ashes. But in the universe, where time is not measured in seconds, but in millions of years, and distance is not counted in meters, but in light, a collision can be a slow dance, a merging, a moment where space-time itself trembles, as if breathing. So what truly happens when the giants of the cosmos move toward one another? And more importantly, who are we, standing before events that exceed every human scale? In this journey, we will not merely describe collisions. We will listen to them. From supermassive black holes, spiraling in silence for millions of years, to galaxies, passing through each other like ancient ghosts, to gas giant planets, merging into a new state of being, and finally, to colossal stars, facing a choice between rebirth or absolute disappearance. This is not just science. This is an allegory of existence, a reflection on how the universe resolves conflict, and perhaps, how humanity should look back at itself. Imagine this. No sound. No familiar light. Only an endless black ocean. In that darkness, two immense black holes appear. They do not crash like speeding vehicles. They do not collide violently. They spiral, like two ancient dancers, bound by a force neither can escape. Each rotation lasts thousands of years. Each subtle approach shakes the structure of reality itself. There are no witnesses, no audience, only the universe, watching itself. When two supermassive black holes draw near, they do not collide in the human sense. Their gravity bends space-time so severely that all familiar notions of motion begin to dissolve. They generate gravitational waves, ripples, traveling through the fabric of reality, like a stone falling into a perfectly still lake. Except here, the lake is the entire universe. And when the moment of merger arrives, it is not an explosion. It is a cosmic heartbeat. A cosmic bloop. A new entity is born. Heavier, deeper, and quieter than anything before it. Philosophy asks, is merging a loss? Or is it how the universe evolves without destruction? Now, step away from black holes and look at our home galaxy. Two galaxies drift toward each other. Hundreds of billions of stars in each. It sounds like unimaginable catastrophe. But reality is strangely gentle. The distances between stars are so vast that actual stellar collisions are almost non-existent. It is like two colossal clouds passing through one another. No explosions. No chaos. Only slow interweaving. The universe does not rush. It does not panic. It does not overreact. It allows things to happen. If the largest structures in the universe do not destroy one another when they meet, why do humans so often choose destruction when difference appears? If two galaxies can pass through each other without annihilating billions of stars, why can fragile egos not pass through one another without leaving ruins behind? Perhaps the problem is not collision itself, but how we collide. Look now at the gas giants. When they collide, they do not vanish. They merge. And if their combined mass is great enough, they become something new. No longer a planet. Not quite a star. A transitional state. A reminder that the universe is not obsessed with labels. And then, the colossal stars. Some collisions lead to renewal. Others lead to complete erasure. Not because of morality, not because of judgment, but because of speed, because of circumstance, because of how the meeting occurs. The universe does not judge. It simply functions. Perhaps the universe is not trying to teach us science. Perhaps it is whispering an older lesson. Right finger, not every collision is an ending. Right finger, not every merging is a loss. In the next chapter, we will leave behind the cosmic giants and face a smaller question, yet one that may be even more terrifying. What happens when human consciousness collides with infinity itself? If you are ready to continue this journey, stay. The universe is not finished speaking.